Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you play Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery, you've been there. You're trying to make a potion and you are out of energy. Instead of spending 55 diamonds, go ahead and click on your stairs and go to a different location. If you go to East Towers, you can click on the portrait that's empty and you'll get an energy. If you click on West Towers, you can click on the portrait next to the prefect's bathroom and that will give you another burst of energy. And then if you head to the lower floor west, you can click on both the, fire and the guard, and they'll give you more energy. If you click on the dungeons, you could click on the house elf and he will give you more energy. Basically, each location has a specific thing you can click on to give you more energy. The castle grounds is my favorite, so you're going to click on the stick here on the floor and look how cute. Oh my gosh, baby Fang is adorable getting that little stick. So I'm only in my second year right now in Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery, so you guys might have more locations you can try. Lower floor east, you click on the books, they'll stack up. I only have a few locations, a few of them are still blocked out, so definitely give that a shot with some more locations, and then once you've got more energy, you can use them. So it just works out great. Save those diamonds or gems or whatever they're called, guys, and just get some free energy. So here I am brewing up my potions. Have you guys been enjoying playing it? I have really loved playing it. This is my little witch right here. Can't remember what she was brewing here. I think she was preparing to brew like a strengthening solution or something like that. But it's really, really fun. I think my character kind of looks like me, and my BFF Rowan over there just chilling. I'm a Ravenclaw, so like I said, I'm in my second year, and this is my girl right here. Her name is Eilonwy, like from the Black Cauldron. And then my house points, of course, failing. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you on your journey, and I'll see you later. Bye!